Alright, so I know it's been a while since we've last uploaded a video. Today I'm just going to show you some more progress we made on the weather wheel. So it's been so long since we've uploaded a video on the weather wheel. So anyway, I'm going to show you the setup I have. So we pretty much got it to operate normally. At least for right now anyway. I'm still trying to work at some stuff here. I'm trying to make sure that it's going to work properly when I need it to. So yeah, it's been a little iffy lately. With the heat and everything, I kept having to fire the beast up. And it's been kind of rough. So I thought we'd do a little update video to get you guys an update on the feathers. Whoa! Oh shit. Alright, sorry about that. Just had my piece of wood I put the fan on. Went completely on me. Just fell into the condensate. Whoa! Don't want my laptop falling because I just bought this. Alright, so anyway, trying to fix some things up here with the weather wheel. Anyway, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the setup and we're going to do a startup and run along with the few additions to my rail collection that we're going to show today as well. So anyway, we're also going to do more fan videos too, because I do got some new fans that I want to do videos of at Matthew's request. So yeah, guys, if you want to see the weather wheel run, we are going to go ahead and fire it up. We're going to fire up the beast. And yes, I've lovingly been calling it the Beast ever since I first got this sucker. And yes, it is big. So, alright, so we got the setup here. Anyway, so yes, we did get the fan motor out finally. So I am going to show that as well in this video. Anyway, let's look at the setup here. Here we are with the weather wheel. So you can tell I've got my Mainstays high velocity fans. Like I just bought some new ones to use with the weather wheel. So you can see the one in the condenser there in the fan shroud where the fan motor would normally be. So anyway, I did get the fan motor out. So we are going to show it later on in the video. And here's my other one I just bought. Just bought this one recently too. Actually, this one I just bought it a few days ago. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn them on here. And we're going to do a Fetters weather wheel start up and run. Because we haven't done it in a while. So anyway, today is July 13th, 2022. It's July 13th, 2022. And I can't believe how much progress we made on the weather wheel. So I forgot to do a video on us cleaning it. We brought it outside on the day I got it last year. And this year we did it on the day that I got it last year. So anyway, there's the fans right there. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and we're going to fire this beast up. So what we're going to do for that, I am going to set you guys up on the case. Because we're going to do a compressor startup along with the fans. So yeah, anyway, there's the weather wheel right there. So we're going to go ahead and go compressor first to let it build some pressure. We'll turn the fans on. Alright, compressor start. 3, 2, 1. Music to the ears. How about that? Turn the fans on. Let the pressure build. See if I can shim something under there. There we go. Alright, there we go. The setup is working. So we're going to get you a condenser coil temperature reading here. I don't have my other thermometer on me because I got to get a new temp gun. But eventually, once I do get my new temp gun, we're going to take more readings. But anyway, I got my analog thermometer working the condenser right now. So I'll show you what we're running at. No, we just turned it on like not even a few minutes ago. Alright, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but we're reading just about 120 degrees right now. So, oh, there we go. 120 degrees is what we're running at right now. So, what we're going to do, in the meantime, I'm going to get the fan motor, so I can show you guys the motor now that we actually got it out. So, give me just a minute here, guys, and we'll get it set up for you. Okay. Well, the weather wheel's building head pressure. Anyway, check out what we just got out. I got the fan motor out finally, because we are going to get it rewound. So in case you guys were wondering, yes, we are going to get it rewound. It still spins very freely though, which is nice. Now, so I'll go ahead and give you a little spin up here. I know you guys are probably wondering, well, how's he going to do that now he's got the motor out? Well, I got it set up like this, so that way we have some clearance for the spin up test. So I'm gonna put you guys right behind it here so you can see it. So we're gonna do a spin up test here by hand. Show you guys that its bearings are still good. All right, here it goes. And look at that, it's still spinning very freely. So yeah, that's the fan motor. We got it out and I found the problem. It's burnt up windings. So the windings do have to be replaced. So I'm going to get it rewound or try to do it myself if it's too expensive. But anyway, let's see. Alright, so the weather wheel bill head pressure. We are running at 132.5 degrees just with that 9-inch high velocity fan. So it's actually throwing heat out this side of the coil just like it's supposed to. So the heat is getting exhausted out there. And then over here you can tell we are, yeah, look at that. We're starting to sweat already here on the suction line. Actually, the suction line is very sweaty already. Like, take a look at that. Suction line's all nice and sweaty. The compressor is nice and sweaty too, so that's how you know it's still working good, even after all the time it sat before I got the unit. Because believe it or not, guys, it was originally going to be trashed. So I saved a famous appliance from the smelter's yard. So yes, if you guys were wondering, well, what was going to happen to your weather wheel before you acquired it, it was going to be trashed. So anyway, we're still waiting on the comfort air as it is. That side's gotten worse, so I'm praying that it holds up long enough that Dustin can get over there and get the comfort air out before it falls in. Because once you get a cracked refrigerant line, it's done for. So then I'd have to do a lot of brazing, replace tubing and stuff like that. We don't want that to happen. It's a good unit. We want it to be able to hold itself in at least until we can get it out. But anyway, and yep, there's the fetters right there. It's running just like it should be right now. These are starting to get sweaty. Oh yeah, look at that. We're starting to sweat a little on the bottom already. So yeah, this thing builds pressure pretty quick, and that's an AJM with an Emerson. So anyway, I'm going to show you the date on it real quick here before we close out the video. 040E-19. So according to what I've been reading, what I was told, the E means it's got an Emerson motor in the compressor. That one dot means it was made on first shift. The H31 is August 31st -65, which means it was made in 1965. The compressor serial number is 720862. V115 means 115 volts, which is what it's running on right now, on 60 hertz, and then 100 volts on 50 hertz. And then you got your compressor model, AJM 15-94, and the LRA is locked rotor amps. So if the compressor should jam itself, or if something should fail, the locked rotor amps is 45.0. So I thought I'd just get you guys a little bit of information there for those of you who are new to my channel. But yeah, I thought we would, yeah. So anyway, what we're gonna do, as I make progress on the weather wheel, we'll make progress videos on it. But for right now, guys, thanks for watching this short little update on the fetters. And yes, we got the fan motor out finally, so we're gonna try to get it rewound. And then when that time comes that it's done, we're gonna reinstall it. So anyway, I'm looking forward to when that time comes. But for right now, guys, peace out.